Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. All the praises and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the Alamin, mankind, jinns and all that exists. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sami Abbasi and I am a student of BS Computer Science. My presentation is going to focus on PHP. This presentation is designed to give you the background of PHP. The most important points I would like to talk about are Introduction to PHP, what is PHP, history of PHP, market position of PHP, applications of PHP, who uses PHP, benefits of PHP, freelancing with PHP. Introduction to PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed specifically for the web. Within an HTML page, you can embed PHP code that will be executed each time the page is visited. Your PHP code is interpreted at the web server and generates HTML or other output that the visitor will see. What is PHP? Used to generate dynamic web pages, PHP scripts reside between reserved PHP tags. This allows the programmer to embed PHP scripts within HTML page, personal home page. An alternative explanation is that the initials come from the earliest version of the programmer, which was called personal home page tools. What does PHP code look like? Structurally similar to C or C++, codes, procedural and object-oriented. All PHP statements end with the semicolon. Each PHP script must be enclosed in this reserved PHP tag. Now I would like to come to brief history of PHP. PHP Hypertext Preprocessor was created by Rasmus Lerdof in 1994. It was initially developed for HTTP usage, logging and server-side code generation in Unix. PHP 2 was created in 1995, transformed the language into a server-side embedded scripting language, added a database support, file uploads, variables, arrays, recursive functions, conditionals, iterations, regular expression, etc. PHP 3 was created in 1998, added support for ODBC database support, multiple platform support, email protocols, and new parser written by Z. Surasky and Goodmans. PHP 4 was created in 2000, became an independent component of the web server for added efficiency. The parser was renamed the Zend engine. Many security features were added. PHP 5 was created in 2004 as the Zend engine 2 with object-oriented programming, robust XML support using the libxml2 library, SOAP extension for the interoperability with web servers. SQLite has been bundled with PHP. PHP history. Half of 1997 used by 50,000 websites by using PHP. October 1998 used by 1 lakh websites by using PHP. End of 1999 used by 1 million websites by using PHP. Here is the simple program of Hello World. PHP tag allowed to insert PHP code interpretation by PHP module. This substitute the code will code output. With code output. Now let's move on to the market position of PHP. First off, let's look at what W3Techs has to say. According to W3Techs data, PHP is used by 78.9% of all websites with the known server-side programming language. So almost 8 out of every 10 websites that you visit on the internet are using PHP in some way, which leads us to this fact: PHP can't die if 79% of the web is using it. Not liking PHP doesn't mean it's dead. It's still used by over 78% of all websites using server-side language. This diagram shows the market position of PHP in terms of popularity and traffic compared to the most popular server-side programming language. PHP is used by 79.2% of all the websites whose server-side programming language we know. Let's move on to who uses PHP. Global companies that uses PHP. Number 1, Facebook, perhaps the most notorious social media web application with more than 1.49 billion active users. Facebook was developed primarily using PHP. Facebook has taken advantage of PHP's capability to generate dynamic content in mere seconds since its founding in 2004. Number 2, Wikipedia. Wikipedia is Wikipedia is perhaps one of the most visited public information sites that uses PHP as a programming language along with MySQL as their database backend. Slack deploys PHP in their backend to maximize their workflow efficiency faster while speeding up web request time and minimizing programming defects. WordPress. Ultimately, it's no surprise that the largest content management system uses PHP to interact with database and fetch data. In short, PHP is used to fetch key components from the database and output them as static HTML. 20 plus million other domain names are by using PHP. Applications of PHP. Number 1. Web pages and web-based applications. Number 2. Web content management systems. Number 3. E-commerce applications. Number 4. GUI based applications. Number 5. Create Flash. Number 6. Image processing and graphic design. And number 7. Data representation. Now let's move on to benefits of PHP. Number 1. Open source. Number 2. Simple and easy to learn. Number 3. Familiarity with syntax. Number 4. Free of cost. Number 5. Speed. Number 6. Object oriented. Number 7. Easier to fix problems. Number 8. Compatible. Number 9. User friendly. Number 10. Security. Number 1. Simple and easy to learn. This server-side scripting language is extremely easy to learn as compared to other languages. Also, if you are familiar with the syntax of C or Perl, you will learn PHP easily and quickly, all thanks to easy to understand syntax. Number 2. Supports all servers. PHP is so popular and widely used, finding help or documentation for PHP online is extremely easy. The best part is support is free through forums, PDFs, blogs, and social media. PHP has the largest user base of any scripting language. Number 3. Freedom. When comparing PHP to a language such as Apex, and the level of freedom you get is pretty superior. As mentioned is reason to PHP is open source. You can use any text editor in order to code PHP such as Node++, gedit. Number 4. Cost efficient. As you know, PHP is open source. It is free of cost. You need not buy expensive software for it. Your website will be developed in the minimal cost. There are no licenses, restrictions, or royalty fees involved at all. PHP is 100% free for anyone to use. Number 5. Integration. PHP is used for so many web applications and actually powers over 30% of the web. Systems such as MongoDB, Memcache and Pusher all integrate with PHP. Almost any industry you can think of uses PHP application in some fashion, including banks, hospitals, government, and large corporations. Number 6. Frameworks. The number of PHP frameworks available is even further proof of how strong the PHP community is. Whether you are looking for database access, libraries, session management, or code reviews. Number 7. Easier to fix problems. The benefits we get in PHP is easy to fix problems which occur due to some issues. Number 8. Scalability. Due to the way PHP is built, you can easily increase your cluster size by adding more servers as your projects grow. Whether it is Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Unix, it supports all the major web browsers. Number 9. Object oriented. PHP actually has the ability to call it. Number 9. Object oriented. Number 9. Actually has the ability to call Java. PHP actually has the ability to call Java and Windows. Addition to this, you can create custom. Addition to this, you can create custom classes. Other classes, those custom classes actually borrow from those custom classes as well be extend the capabilities. Number 10. Speed. Further. Number 10. Speed. The workload uses its own memory, so the workload of the server automatically time gets reduced automatically, which results into the faster development time. When it comes to reduces the development time when it comes to the web apps like e-commerce, freelancing. Freelancing is working as a freelancing. Freelancing is working as a self-employed person or professional and multiple employees without long period of agreement or contract for long period of time. A freelancer may work part-time of time. That at any span of time, this is because he or she there would be no fixed working basically there would be no fixed working time would give like offer hours. This would give the freelancer the benefit of freedom in working hours and working place freelancing environment. PHP. Whilst there's a been no PHP, whilst there's a been no speculation.